All right, so we've practiced compass rose, we've practiced using a scale map. Now we're going to use both of those things to map out our animals in our zoo. The first thing is, I know this is hard to see and I've tried to reprint, but take your highlighter and I want you to follow me and do what I do with your highlighter so that we can highlight the roads or the pathways in the zoo. Starting down here at zoo, there's an oval. You can kind of see where it starts. It goes up, straight up to the top. Then from the top here where you see the rock beside the elephant, do you see where I'm pointing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, this is a road. If you don't see, then you have to look up.
I see the rock.
That's a path. And then we're going to come down. We come around the giraffe. Finish this path here. And then, of course, there's a path in between these exhibits, the monkey and the snake and the giraffe.
This monkey, there's a line going through the alligator.
Next, there is a path between the panda and the crocodile or the alligator. And there is one underneath the alligator, in between the alligator and the bushes there. All right, we're done with the right side. Now let's look at the left. On the left, we have a path underneath the hippo that comes to a point here behind that little sign where it says "Welcome to the Zoo." And we can follow that side all the way down to where the tiger is in the corner. Next, we're going to box in that tiger, kind of like we did the giraffe on the other corner. There's not a path down here. So we're boxing him. And then we're completing the last one is underneath or is between the lion and the tiger, and it goes on underneath the zebra. And there are your paths. It did not print well, so sorry about that. We'll have to look at that for.
Can we separate the lion and the zebra?
There's not a path between there. No, don't separate them. There is a separation. You can see there's a fence, but there's not a walking path. We're only highlighting the walking paths. Use the map below and complete the practice pages. Be sure to reference the compass rose and the scale. Follow directions carefully on each page. And so we look at the first page. And it would probably help, you're going to turn these in. So if you'd like to remove them from your book, you may. It would make it easier at least to remove this page for now and have it so that you can hold it off to the side. On page 18, it's all about using the compass rose. It says, number 1. Read number 1, please, Sophia.
Label the cardinal directions on the compass rose. North, south, east, west.
Good. So you're going to label your compass rose, north, south, east, west. If you're having trouble with that and you need to get your notebook out, you can do that.
Oh, label the
Intermediate
directions on the
compass
compass rose. Northwest, northeast, southwest, southeast.
Very good. So now you're going to label your intermediate directions. Those are the ones in between north, south, east, and west. Once you finish that, no, your pencil's down. Once you finish that, it says directions. Use the map of the zoo to answer the following directions. Place your ruler on the black circles to help you determine which direction to follow. So it says to travel from the zebras exhibit to the lions exhibit, you travel and you're going to take your ruler and you're going to put your ruler on the zebra exhibit and you're going to the lions exhibit. So from the zebra to the lion, I'm going which way? This way, right? Don't answer. Just know in your head, which way am I going? Where would that be on my compass rose? All right? To travel from the panda to the crocodile, find your panda, find your crocodile. You're going from panda to the crocodile. What direction would that be on your compass rose? And there is a compass rose up here to help you as well that you can use. It's kind of light too, yes, but that would help you as well. But you can use the one on page 18. Then here so you have those 3 through 6, and number 7 says the monkeys are blank of the snakes. So you look at the monkeys, and they are what direction compared to the snakes? Are they north? Are they south? Are they east? Are they west? Northwest, southwest? So you're going to compare how the monkeys are compared to the snakes. Once you finish that page, do not go on to page 19 yet. I want to talk to you about 19 before you move on. Are there any questions? Paper passer, I need you to pass out rulers, please. Are there any questions, Clayton?
Can we, for the questions, can we write, like if it's north and N or northeast and E? Or do we have
No,
to do the actual thing?
you have to write them out. They're spelled here correctly for you, and I expect you to write them out on the line. Look at the compass rose. On the compass rose, you're just labeling. Down here, you're going to actually write the direction out. If the answer is north, you write out the word north. If the answer is south, you write out the word south. Let's label this compass rose. We have north, never eat soggy waffles, right? Check yours. Right here goes what, Weston?
Northeast.
Northeast.
Did anyone not
Here?
get one?
Did everybody get a ruler?
Nope.
Here is what, Anna?
East, south?
We put the big one first. South. South. Southeast. Good. Here, Dylan, is what?
Southwest.
And here is Colt.
Northwest.
Correct. Good job. All right, so you're going to use this compass rose. Let's do number 3 together, since it seems like we're struggling a little bit. To travel from the zebras to the lions, take your ruler right now. Put your ruler on the black dot of the zebra and the black dot of the lions. Now we are going from the lions to the zebra or the zebra to the lions? Zebra to the lions. So I want you to draw a line going from the zebra to the lions and put an arrow at the end of it, pointing toward the lions.
Do we have to make an arrow?
Yes. Now, give me a thumbs up that you're done. Okay. Now, let's compare this to our compass rose. Which direction is this arrow pointing? Is it pointing north, east, south, or west, or one of my intermediate directions? Which way is it pointing, Karsten? Do you guys agree that it's pointing west?
Yes.
West is this way, and it is pointing this way. So if we were going from the zebras to the lions, we would travel west. So you're going to write west on the line. Any questions on 3 through 6? All right, look at number 7. 7 says the monkeys are blank of the snakes. Look at the monkeys and look at the snakes. We want to know they are what compared to the snakes. So starting at the snakes, we draw a line from the snakes to the monkeys because we're comparing the monkeys to where the snakes are. Are they north? Are they south? Are they east? Or are they west? Conlon? They are north of the snakes. Do you guys agree?
No. Yes. Yes. No. Yes.
Look at your compass rose. The arrow is pointing up. Which one of our directions points up? North points up. So the monkeys are north of the snakes. Okay, be careful. When you get, there's a couple of these, the tigers, of the giraffe. Look, nope, maybe that's not the one I'm thinking of. Giraffe and the hippo. Yes, the giraffe compared to the hippo. Look at this one. That's number 9. Nope, number 8. It says the giraffes are blank compared to the hippo. So on that one, you're starting at the hippo and you're looking at the giraffe. What direction would that be going? You have to ask yourself. It is going in a diagonal. So is it going to be one of our main directions, our cardinal directions? No. Because it's going in a diagonal, it's going to be an intermediate direction. So you're going to have to be careful. Okay. Go ahead and continue working on page 18. When you finish, I want you to put your map, if you've torn your map out, just slide it back in your book and close your book.